First question, total administrative divisions in Maharashtra during 19 total 6 states and 1 union territories border share with Maharashtra. So Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar administrative division has 8 districts. This is the Hello friends, welcome to SuPrabha Academy. Today we are going to discussing Maharashtra geography. Okay, one of the major point in our combined exam, group C or group B, pre and mains. Okay, so let's start with PYQ. What is PYQ? PYQ means previous year questions. These questions help us for understanding exam pattern and important key topics. Okay, so let's start with questions. First question, total administrative divisions in Maharashtra during 1960 and 2020 are dash and dash respectively. So option number 1, 4 and 8. Option number 2, 4 and 6. Option number 3, 5 and 7. And option number 4, 5 and 8. Okay. And correct answer is option number 2. In 1960, 4 administrative divisions in Maharashtra, and 2020 or till date 2026, 6 administrative divisions in Maharashtra. Okay, let's see next question. Which of the following states has the largest geographical area? Option number 1, Rajasthan. Option number 2, Maharashtra. Option number 3, Uttar Pradesh. And option number 4, Andhra Pradesh. And correct answer is Rajasthan. At the basis of area, Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Okay, let's see next question. Which are the largest and smallest districts by geographical area in the Aurangabad administrative division? Option number 1, Aurangabad and Parbhani. Option number 2, Beed and Hingoli. Option number 3, Nanded and Hingoli. And option number 4, Usmanabad and Jalna. And correct answer is option number 2, Beed and Hingoli. Beed is largest district in Aurangabad administrative division and smallest district is Hingoli. Okay, so option number 2 is correct answer. Let's see next question. How many districts of Maharashtra share their borders with the state of Karnataka? Option number 1, 5. Option number 2, 6. Option number 3, 7. And option number 4, 8. And correct answer is option number 7. 7 districts of Maharashtra share their border with Karnataka state. Okay, let's see next question. Which of the following is the northernmost tehsil or taluka in the Pune administrative division? Okay, option number 1, Zunnur. Option number 2, Mawal. Option number 3, Medha. And option number 4, Chandigarh. And correct answer is option number 1. Okay, Zunnur tehsil is northernmost tehsil in Pune division. Okay, next question. The above map is here. The above map shows an administrative division of Maharashtra. Which of the following administrative divisions at its district headquarters marked with circle is correct? Okay, and option number 1, Pune division with Satara headquarter, Nashik division with Dhule headquarter, Aurangabad division with Aurangabad headquarter, and Nagpur division with Gadchiroli headquarter. And correct answer is option number 3, Aurangabad division with Aurangabad headquarter. Pune division's headquarter is Pune. Okay, Nashik division headquarter is Nashik, and Nagpur division's headquarter is Nagpur. Okay, so correct answer is option number 3. Next question. What is the total geographical area of Maharashtra? All options are in hectares. Okay, and option number 3 is correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the correct latitudinal extent of Maharashtra? And option number 1 is correct answer. 15 degree 44 minutes north to 22 degrees 6 minutes in north. Okay, next question. The geographical area of Maharashtra state is dash square kilometer and it occupies dash percent of India's total area. And option number 1 is correct answer. 3,07,713 square kilometer area covered by Maharashtra. In compared to India's total area in percent, 9.36% area covered by Maharashtra state. So option number 1 is correct answer. Okay. So friends, let's move on our next point or our next content. Okay. So establishment of Maharashtra or birth of Maharashtra. Before 1st May 1960, Maharashtra part of Bombay state or bilingual Bombay state, which is established in 1st November 1956. Okay. Then 1st May 1960, 1st May 1960, the date of Maharashtra establishment. Okay, so we are celebrate this day as Maharashtra Din. Okay, Maharashtra Din. Capital of Maharashtra, Mumbai. Sub-capital of Maharashtra, Nagpur. First Chief Minister, Yashwantrao Chavan, and first Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Prakash. Okay, so next, location of Maharashtra. Where is Maharashtra located in as compared to India? Okay, so first we see latitudinal expanse. 15 degree, here is correction, 44 minutes in north to 22 degree 6 minutes in north. From here to here, this latitudinal expanse. Okay, so next, longitudinal expanse. 72 degree 36 minutes east to 80 degree 54 minutes east. Okay, from here to here. Okay, so next, extension of Maharashtra from north to south and east to west. Okay, let's see. East to west, 800 kilometer expanse of Maharashtra. Okay, west to east or east to west, 800 kilometer. 800 kilometer. Okay. So next, north to south, 720 kilometer. 720 kilometer expanse of Maharashtra. Okay. So east to west is more than north to south. Okay. So next point is area of Maharashtra. How many square kilometer area covered by Maharashtra? Let's see. Total area covered by Maharashtra 3,07,713 square kilometer. Okay. In hectares, 307.70 lakh hectares area covered by Maharashtra. On the basis of area, Maharashtra is third largest state in our India. Okay, so let's see largest state by area in India. First is Rajasthan, next Madhya Pradesh, third Maharashtra, fourth Uttar Pradesh, and fifth Gujarat. Okay, so let's on our next point, political boundaries of Maharashtra. Maharashtra's neighbor state, Maharashtra's neighbor union territories. Okay, याच्यावरती ही प्रश्न आलेले आहेत. Okay, so let's start. In total 6 states and 1 union territories border share with Maharashtra. On the map, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh in our north direction, eastern direction, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, and Goa. These 6 states. Okay, and here is 1 union territory, Dadra Nagar Haveli and Diu Daman. Okay, so northwest direction na Gujarat and the union territory of Dadra Nagar Haveli. North direction Madhya Pradesh, eastern direction Chhattisgarh, southeast direction Telangana, south direction Karnataka and Goa, and west direction covered by Arabian Sea and forming a coastline. Okay, so 20 districts of Maharashtra lie on the boundaries with other state, whereas 16 districts do not lie on the boundaries at all. Okay, so let's see next point, political boundaries district wise. Okay. So first, start with Gujarat. Gujarat state share with their border in Maharashtra's four districts: Palghar, Nashik, Dhule, and Nandurbar. Next, Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh, eight districts shares with border with Madhya Pradesh. First, Nandurbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Buldhana, Amravati, Nagpur, Bhandara, and Gondia district. Okay, you can see on the map Nandurbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Buldhana, Amravati, not Akola, then Nagpur, Bhandara, and Gondia. These are eight districts shared with border with Madhya Pradesh state. Next, Chhattisgarh. Only two districts share border with Chhattisgarh, and this is Gondia and Gadchiroli. You can see here Gondia and Gadchiroli. Next state is Telangana. Telangana state सोबत गडचिरोली, चंद्रपूर, यवतमाळ and नांदेड डिस्ट्रिक्ट शेअर बॉर्डर शेअर करतात. नेक्स्ट कर्नाटका. नांदेड, लातूर, धाराशिव, सोलापूर, सांगली, कोल्हापूर and Sindhudurg. These are seven districts of Maharashtra share border with Karnataka state, and you can see here Kolhapur, Sangli, Solapur, Usmanabad or Dharashiv, Latur and Nanded. Okay, and Sindhudurg. These are seven districts. Okay. Next, Goa. Only one district share border with Goa, and this is Sindhudurg. You can see here Sindhudurg. Next, district sharing boundaries with two states. अशा काही डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आहेत की जे आपल्या बॉर्डर दोन स्टेट सोबत शेअर करतात. सो लेट्स सी नंदुरबार. नंदुरबार शेअर बॉर्डर विथ गुजरात अँड मध्य प्रदेश. नेक्स्ट धुळे. धुळे शेअर बॉर्डर विथ गुजरात अँड मध्य प्रदेश. गोंदिया. गोंदिया शेअर बॉर्डर विथ मध्य प्रदेश अँड छत्तीसगड. गडचिरोली. गडचिरोली शेअर बॉर्डर विथ छत्तीसगड अँड तेलंगणा. नांदेड. नांदेड शेअर बॉर्डर विथ तेलंगणा अँड कर्नाटका. Sindhudurg. Sindhudurg share border with Karnataka and Goa. Okay, and this is odd in out. Okay, Palghar district share border with Dadra Nagar Haveli. This is Union Territory and Gujarat state. Okay, so remember that. Next, district establishment. This is major and important point for our syllabus. Since the formation of Maharashtra till 1st May 1981, there were 26 districts. Okay, and then after we created 10 districts. So at the time, Maharashtra has 36 districts. Okay, so let's see the timeline of district formation. 1st May 1981, same date. आणि त्यामध्ये दोन डिस्ट्रिक्ट आपण बनवलेले आहेत. सो रत्नागिरी डिवाइडेड टू फॉर्म सिंधुदुर्ग डिस्ट्रिक्ट. औरंगाबाद डिवाइडेड टू फॉर्म जालना डिस्ट्रिक्ट. डेट इज सेम. नेक्स्ट डेट 16 ऑगस्ट 1982. इथं ना दोन म्हणजे इयर सेम आहे, फक्त डेट काय होतात चेंज होतात. सो लेट्स सी. उस्मानाबाद डिवाइडेड टू फॉर्म लातूर डिस्ट्रिक्ट and Chandrapur divided to form Gadchiroli district. 4 October 1990, Mumbai city divided to form Mumbai suburban area. Next, same date and same year, Dhule divided to form Nandurbar district and Akola divided to form Washim district. Okay, 1st May 1999, same date and two districts formation. Bhandara divided to form Gondia district and Parabani divided to form Hingoli district. And last recently 1st August 2014, Thane divided to form Palghar district. Okay, so remember that पाठच करा हे लक्षात ठेवा. Okay, so next point, administrative divisions. At the time of Maharashtra formation or Maharashtra establishment, Maharashtra has 4 administrative divisions. Okay, 4 administrative divisions, and now there are 6 administrative divisions. Okay, at the time of establishment, Maharashtra has 26 districts, 235 talukas and 4 administrative divisions. Currently, Maharashtra has 36 districts, 355 talukas and 6 administrative divisions. Okay, you can see here on the map. This is the our Konkan or Mumbai Administrative Division. This is Pune Administrative Division. This is Nashik Administrative Division. This is Aurangabad or Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Administrative Division. This is Amravati Administrative Division, and this is Nagpur Administrative Divisions. Let's see next point. Administrative divisions descending order by area. Okay, area wise the administrative division. Largest administrative division in Maharashtra, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. 64,813 square kilometer area covered by Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Administrative Division. Next, Nashik in second position or second rank. 57,413 square kilometer area covered by Nashik Administrative Division. Third is Pune. 57,275 square kilometer area covered by Pune Administrative Division. Fourth is Nagpur. 51,377 square kilometer area covered by Nagpur Administrative Division. Fifth is Amravati. Amravati covered 27 square kilometer area. And last, Mumbai Administrative or Konkan Administrative Division. 30,728 square kilometer area covered by Konkan or Mumbai Administrative Division. Okay. So next point is descending order by district number. Okay. So Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Administrative Division has 8 districts. This is the top administrative division by or based on the district number. Second, Mumbai, 7 districts. Nagpur is third, 6 districts. Pune, Nashik and Amravati. These 3 administrative division, 5 districts. Okay. So remember that Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar is 8 districts. Next, Mumbai is 7 districts and Nagpur is 6 districts. Okay. So let's see next point, administrative divisions by talukas. Okay. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar has 76 talukas. Nagpur Administrative Division 64, Pune 58, Amravati 56, Nashik 54 and Mumbai 50. Okay, so friends, आज आपण महाराष्ट्राचा जो काही पॉलिटिकल अँगल आहे तो इथे डिस्कस केलेला आहे. महाराष्ट्राची इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट असेल, महाराष्ट्रामध्ये असणं, महाराष्ट्राचं जे लोकेशन आहे ते लॉन्जिट्युडनल बेसवरती, त्यानंतर लॅटिट्युडनल बेसवरती, महाराष्ट्राचा एरिया, ओके, महाराष्ट्रात असणारे ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह डिव्हिजन्स, महाराष्ट्रातल्या जे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आहेत त्यांचं फॉर्मेशन. ओके, सो इथंच थांबूया आणि भेटूया नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये. थँक्यू.